Today we're going to look at how we graph polar equations. I know this is by plotting points. We're actually going to use our calculator. So first let's look at graphing 3 cosine theta. If I come over to my calculator, what I'm going to do is go to graph, and from here I'm going to hit menu and go down to the third option, which is graph entry. And there I'll choose polar. And now I can just type in my equation as it gave it to me. The equation was 3 cosine theta. So I need to make sure I use the correct symbols that they give me. And theta is located under the pi button right there. So, oh, I'm sorry. So now I fix that. It would be 3 cosine theta. When you hit enter, this should give me my graph. That would be the picture. So my first picture would look like this. If I wanted to graph b, I would just change it to sine. So I'd come back over my graph, and I would change my equation to sine. And so that would be how the graph looks. Given here, they show it in the polar form. Remember, this is a polar grid where it's not x and y's. They go with a theta on the outside, and each one of these marks refers to one mark of radius. So this would be a radius of, I know it looks like it's 3, but it's actually a radius of 1.5, diameter of 3. And this would be the sine going up and down. Now I got one for you to try. I want you to try to graph r equals -4 cosine and see what you come up with. You can pause the video and then choose the correct answer here. The correct answer would be B. This would be -4 cosine. They wrote it wrong here. That needs to have a negative there, but it would be going to the left 4 units of the circle of cosine.